Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will learn some of the important shortcut keys used in SAP. So let's get started. So the first question which may come to some of the users' mind is why use shortcut keys in SAP when we can use the mouse. So using the shortcut keys, it saves memory. It reduces the mouse dependency and improves the productivity. So we will directly see the shortcuts. So in the basic navigation shortcut, the first one we have is Control plus slash. So this helps to focus on the command field. So for the new users, if you don't know the command field, this is the command field. Okay. If I go into the any T code, if my cursor is anywhere out of the command field, I can just directly press Control plus slash to go to the command field. So in this way, this helps directly go to the command field. The next shortcut we have is Control plus S. So the Control plus S is used to save the work. This is used in case we use the transaction code for create or for change. So I will go to change T code of the production order. I will go to the order. I will just go in the component. I delete the component, save it here, then go back. Now if I want to save, instead of going in the standard toolbar and saving, I will directly press Ctrl plus S. So in this way, this shortcut key helps to save the work. The next shortcut key we have is Ctrl plus P. This shortcut key is used for printing operations. Suppose we go to the T code and if you want to print this, we can directly press Ctrl plus P. So this gives the pop-up for the printing option. The next shortcut key we have is Shift plus F3 or F3 for back. This is nothing but this cursor. If we go into the any T code, if you want to come back, instead of pressing this, we can directly press Shift plus F3 to go back. So now we will look into the transaction code shortcuts. The first one is /n to end the current transaction and start a new one. The second one is open a new session by using /o. So the first one we will see is /n. Now we are in the T code of MMB. Now if I want to go to the next T code, I will directly use /n and press and enter the T code. The first session it will be ended and we will start a new session by using this. The next one we have is /o. /o is nothing but to start a new session. If we press /o, press N, system will give a pop-up for the new session. We can just directly go for the create and press and click on the create. You can see we have a new session without ending the previous one. The next one we have is /n plus T code. This demo I have already shown you. You can directly go press /n, press enter the T code which you want, click on enter, the session gets ended and opens the new T code. If you want to end this session and directly go to the easy access screen, you can directly enter /n in the command field and press enter. The current session gets ended and we go to the SAP easy access screen. So in this way, we can use the /n, /o, /n and /o along with the T codes. The next we have is search and help. For the search, we can press Ctrl plus F to find. This is usually used in the reports. So if I go in any report, suppose say MM60, if I want to find some word, then I can directly enter that word and press enter. So I get the results. The next we have is F1. The F1 is used for help for the selected field. If I go in any T code, if I want to find the information for the field, I can press F1. So it opens the performance assistant. This gives the information about that field. We have clicked on the material number field. So you can see the required information. Also, we can go into technical information and find the program name, the table, the field name, the parameter ID, etc. The next option we have is F4 for possible entries, or also called as value help. Suppose if I go into MB52 and I don't know what are the storage locations, so I can directly press the F4 button and get the required entries. So in this way, F4 help us to find the required entries or the values which we can input. So in this way, we have learned some of the important shortcut keys. So mastering the shortcut keys, it boosts efficiency, and practicing daily, it helps to build the memory muscle. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you find these SAP shortcut keys helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more SAP quick tips. See you until the next time. Keep exploring SAP the smart way. Thanks and bye bye.